The future of electronics manufacturing begins now, with a platform that redefines performance, quality, flexibility, and forward thinking. CPlace V. The CPlace V platform has been developed completely from the ground up, engineered for maximum dynamics and performance by ensuring a top-level quality and flexibility at any time. Built on our leading CPlace technology and market experience, it has been consistently further developed for the demands of modern electronics manufacturing. With CPlace V, you benefit from up to 30% more real performance. Not in idealized benchmarks, but where it matters, in real production. This significantly increases the performance of your entire line. CPlace V sets new standards in floor space productivity. Optimize the machine footprint on the shop floor, helping you get more out of your SMT line. And performance is only one part of the equation. With CPlace V, higher performance does not come at the expense of quality, quite the opposite. At the core of the placement head, each nozzle segment is individually driven, enabling precise and dynamic control of every component and guarantees highest placement accuracy, even in odd placement angles. The component sensor thereby detects component presence and absence and measures the component height. Quality is further improved through consistent process control at component level, across every step of the placement process. Next up, the component camera allows for flexible, adjustable illumination and nozzle monitoring. At the same time, real-time warpage detection is considered for each placement location. CPlace placement heads are highly integrated systems, built for complete control for every component from pickup to placement. The new generation of placement heads is a key feature that boosts the performance of the CPlace V platform. Thanks to 3 innovative placement heads, the CPlace V meets all the requirements of modern SMT manufacturing, from high-volume production to high-mix production. The placement head CP20 is extremely fast and highly precise. While the placement head controls the process in real time, the vision system integrated in the machine ensures overall accuracy. It precisely determines board and component positions and continuously verifies placement quality. CPlace V ensures maximum process reliability, even for complex components. In applications such as automotive, AI, and high-performance server boards, CPlace V ensures precise placement of BGAs, high-power connectors, and components with off-center gravity. High performance is important, but in real production, flexibility matters just as much. CPlace V adapts to a wide range of production requirements, and flexibility in placement starts at the head. The placement head automatically switches between pick and place, collect and place, and mixed mode, adapting to different components and requirements. At the end of your line, CPlace V combines maximum floor space efficiency with high flexibility, even in demanding applications. Here, performance and flexibility go hand in hand. Make full use of feeder capacity, with up to 90 feeder slots, independent of installed options. The new CPlace Tray Unit V integrates seamlessly into the line design. Each placement machine can be equipped with 2 tray units. Even large, heavy, and complex components can be placed with high precision and full process reliability. This supports demanding applications such as power electronics and AI, with components like OSCs and BGAs. Change placement heads quickly and easily. The universal head interface enables seamless exchange during operation. Stay flexible in transport and PCB size. The conveyor can operate in single and dual mode, ensuring maximum flexibility for different board sizes. Support pins are placed fully automatically. No separate pin picker is required. CPlace V integrates seamlessly into your existing production environment. It is fully compatible with existing hardware and software, including the Smart Feeder X, as well as specialized feeders, such as the measuring feeder, glue feeder, power connector, and dipping unit. This also applies to existing software solutions, including ASMPT's machine software, the Works software suite, and factory solutions. At the same time, CPlace V is ready for future requirements. High-speed gigabit Ethernet enables AI-driven manufacturing and further automation. The future of electronics manufacturing begins now. With CPlace V,